Good day, beloveds. Have you ever experienced acne? If you were anything like me, growing up in my teenage years, my formative years, acne was a huge concern for me. I actually did a video not too long ago where I'm addressing a video done by Tabitha Brown when she's talking about how food aggravated her skin or condition. Same here. So food has been a culprit for aggravating my acne. But another thing that can aggravate acne is stress and also things that you put on your skin, right? And so today I'm offering 3 essential oils that's for you to try to order to combat acne. I will say a disclaimer, I did have to clear out my gut health and get rid of and eliminate foods that were causing me problems too, to go along with choosing this natural remedy, right? Or remedies that I'm going to be sharing with you today. So just so that you are aware. And particularly if you're a social worker or a counselor or anybody in a helping profession where you are high stress, you already know, being in the profession, being stressed can cause breakout. So I'm appealing to my social workers and counselors. You're looking for a natural solution to help you deal with stress, not only stress on a daily basis, but to help combat acne. And you also want to stay tuned. So, what 3 essential oils am I talking about today? But before we get started, I didn't introduce myself. I am Danny, social worker and aromatherapist, where I marry the two to help our overall quality of life and well-being. So welcome. Oh, I am focusing on A to Z Spotlight series. If you haven't seen my first, I think I'm on number 4. Is this number 4? I want to say yes. If not, I will correct myself shortly. But I have an A to Z series where I'm talking about health challenges for which I will be spotlighting essential oils for you to try. And as always, safety is my thing. We're actually on number 5. So this is number 5 in the Spotlight series. Safety is always my thing. So you'll hear me talk about essential oils, also take heed to the safety notes. So let's get started. My first essential oil that I want to share with you is one that you might not have heard me talk much about on this channel, and that's called copaiba. Copaiba. Actually put it across the screen here so you can see its botanical name. And you say, why do I want to know the botanical name? You want to know the botanical name of your essential oils. So when you're ordering them or picking them up at the store, but depending on the essential oil, there can be more than one type of it, and with a different name. It can be the same essential oil, but different type, like chamomile, for example. Roman and German, different. So copaiba, you want to make sure that if it says that, then this is the botanical name that you want to get. Okay? So copaiba, what do you need to know about that? I'm going to give you a little snippet of it, okay? And I'll have a link in the description in case it's something that you want to try for yourself. All right. So copaiba is known for its soothing properties. You'll see me read my notes here. Is lesser known but incredibly powerful for skin health. It's anti-inflammatory and gentle, making it ideal for calming irritated, breakout-prone skin. So if that is you, then copaiba may be one that you want to choose. Now, that being said, let me share with you the safety notes for this essential oil. So the safety notes I have mentioned, in addition to the ones you'll see below this video, are it's known to generally be safe. It's considered safe generally, okay? Not safe for large amounts internally. We don't talk about using internally on this channel, but those are the safety notes. So it's generally considered safe, but always with caution. Use in a way that is intended and is directed, right? So, and it's not safe for in large amounts internally. I'm not recommending that at all, but I do like to share what safety notes there is for essential oils. Okay. So, that being said, move on to our second essential oil in this spotlight series. For this concern, acne, we're moving to Palmarosa. I have a sample bottle of that here. You can see that. Let me switch up my names on the screen. So Palmarosa. Palmarosa. That's not one that I talk about readily on this channel as well. But just to give you a little bit of background about this wonderful oil, Palmarosa helps regulate your skin's oil production, reducing excess sebum that often leads to acne. And as a bonus, it's also known for its mood lifting effects, helping you maintain an emotional balance, especially on those tough work days. Okay. I don't know about any other profession, and I know that there are some tough work days in a lot of professions, but baby, if you're a social worker and a counselor and you're dealing with families and individuals, you already know. I don't need to explain. So if you know of a social worker or counselor and you're watching this and you're not one, share the video with them, okay? And by the way, if you're liking this content, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. I surely appreciate all who watch and share the information that I lovingly pour out here for you. All right, so that was Palmarosa. And let me read you the safety notes for that one. So the safety notes for Palmarosa is it's non-toxic, non-irritating, and non-sensitizing. So generally safe, okay? But always use as it is intended in the instructions for the oil itself. And that being said, if you want to reach out to me at Natural LID to learn more on how which essential oil might be good for you, you can find the information in my about section, how to reach out to me, how to contact me. But Natural LID, let's see, do I have it up on the screen here? I wanted to share it with you. If not, it's just as the name suggests. Now you can see it right here, naturallid@gmail.com. Here we go. All right. So if you hear of essential oil that I spotlight that you want to know more about, or want to do like a free consultation to determine whether or not that essential oil is right for you, then we can certainly do so. Or I'll give you another alternative after I read this third essential oil. So, what is the third essential oil that I am sharing with you to try if you have acne? One of my favorites and go to a lot is tea tree. Tea tree essential oil. Now, this is a Now brand tea tree essential oil. Organic, and their organic essential oils usually come in a green bottle or green highlighted in their bottle. But what it is about tea tree, I love tea tree. It's one of my general go-to oils for my skin. I use it in the body butter lotion that I created. I'll leave a link for that in the description. It's a free download if you want to know how to incorporate tea tree in a body lotion. The body lotion does have 3 essential oils in it. You don't have to use all 3. You can actually just use one. And there is explicit instructions on how to use the essential oils, or you can just use the recipe for the body butter. Either way, I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. Let's see. I think I have here we go. I have a download. So I have a free recipe for you to follow step by step on if you're interested in using tea tree in the body butter. So just to get back to it, tea tree. I'm going to share with you the botanical name here. Tea tree Let me share a little bit about that oil. She is renowned for its antibacterial properties. Okay. It's great for targeting acne at the source. It helps to clear blemishes while soothing inflammation. So, that is it about tea tree essential oil. Just give you a snippet about it. And I want to share with you the safety notes. It's non toxic, non irritating, possibly sensitizing in some people in very large doses. So if you're going to use and you have instructions, use it to the T and the instructions advise. I encourage you to reach out to someone who is familiar with using essential oils if you are not, to guide you and to share with you what it is about you need to be aware of. I'm an aromatherapist. Reach out to myself, aroma specialist, also someone with the background knowledge of using essential oils to point you in the right direction when using them. Because although I mentioned the essential oils, you can get a bottle and have instructions on it and not know that there are some other caveats depending on how you planning to use it that you need to be aware of if you're not doing your own research and due diligence. And if you are, now that I have mentioned it, I do have a free masterclass for which I created for my niche, in which my social workers and counselors, but it certainly can be used by anyone who's willing to explore using essential oils in their natural wellness cabinet. I will leave a link in the description for that free master class for you to try. And the master class is foundational. Moments out of your time to learn the foundation of it. And if you watch it, let me know. Did you not learn something that you did not know? And if you're new to essential oils, I'm pretty much betting. I'm not a betting woman, but you will have learned something that you can hold on to by the end, and at least 5 takeaways from, if you do nothing else but watch the masterclass, you will have 5 takeaways. You can say, okay, she shared what to look out for, and I can take these 5 takeaways and run with it and do your own exploration for however you want in using essential oils. If you don't contact a specialist, aroma specialist, or aromatherapist such as myself. That is my gift to you. That free masterclass. Again, it is catered to my niche, which are my social workers and counselors, but it can be utilized by anybody who is looking to use essential oils in your wellness cabinet. Okay? So stay tuned for more essential oil spotlight series, A to Z series. Let's see what's coming up next. What can you anticipate next? Oh, so much. Let's see. We are going to be talking about a concern that has to do with essential oils you can try to use for a challenge or what they identify as ADHD. Okay. I'm not, full disclaimer again, I'm not a medical doctor, but I am offering these essential oils as suggestions. So it's none of this information is designed to treat, cure, or prevent anything, but to assist you if you want to use essential oils simply, safely, and effectively. And if you know anything about me and saw any of my videos, I'm talking about the safety for sure. That's no laughing matter, but definitely talking about the safety. Okay. So thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned, whatever you've done. Again, if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know that I'm bringing value to you. I'm bringing you value for which you can use for yourself, particularly if you're a social worker or counselor, or if you know one, share it with them. And Until next time, as I always like to say on my channel, let us continue to learn, grow, and share together naturally. And stay tuned, we'll have more. There will be more to come. And as always, God bless you and I love you. Bye bye for now.